Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a nice pumpkin spice with a touch of gold makeup look. So I'm so excited about fall, you guys. It's my favorite season, like legitimately. I love all the pumpkin spice and all the little decorations that you can decorate your home with for the fall theme. And I just overall love the season. So it's only right that I bring you guys with a nice pumpkin spice makeup look. You guys, I have been gone. I have been MIA for a long time. I've been like sick, like legitimately sick. And so it took me about a week and a half, or a week and some days just to get better. So now I'm here and I'm back, you guys, and a lot of things has changed. A lot of things that you guys don't know about has changed, and I'm going to be giving you guys, posting up more videos throughout the week, more frequently, so you guys can actually see what your girl's been up to. So you guys, let's get into this video. I've already done my brows, and I've already added my Urban Decay eye primer to my eyes just to kind of let it sit and set before we add on the eyeshadow. I'm going to go in right now, you guys, with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is an orange corrector, you guys. I'm going to just conceal any of these spots that I have or in my dark under eyes as well, so that way it's not coming through to my makeup. Her concealer, you guys. This color is the color Almond. I'm going to just go over that orange corrector with that concealer. I'm legitimately wanting to hide every little thing on my face, you guys, like no lie. Nothing coming through the face. This is a translucent setting powder, you guys. I am actually going to use this to help set in my orange corrector and my concealer, so that way that my foundation will actually last throughout the day. I do have oily skin, so with me doing this process, it actually helps with my oils coming throughout the day. So for the eyes today, I'm actually going to be using my Morphe 15D. This is a Day Slayer palette, you guys. This palette is perfect for fall. It's actually a year-round palette. But I mean, overall, you guys, the palette is just absolutely gorgeous. I love all the orange tones. I love how we have some rustics, we have some brown. This is overall a great palette for fall if you want to get a nice fall, like smoky orange or bronzy look. I'm also, you guys, going to go in with my Orange Glad palette by ColourPop. I'm only going to be using the color Sun Kissed in this palette because I want to get more of like a orangey color. I really want my orange to pop out in this makeup look. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. I'm going to start off with Sun Kissed, you guys. Just like I said, I want that nice orange look so that I can transition that into more of a deep orange, but I just want it to really pop. That's more of a brighter orange as well. It's not as bright as the previous orange. And then we're going to move it along to Upbeat. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with Desert here, which is more of a smoky brown. It's like a darker shade of a brown. And I'm actually going to start in from my corners and kind of create a more of a round circular motion to give me a nice smoky look at the corner of my eye. This lighter brown, almost like a tan. It's called Forever. I'm just gonna put it at the bottom of my lid, you guys, just to kind of lighten it up at the lid. So it gives me like that nice, like pumpkin-y color look. Okay, so next I'm going to take the CoverGirl Exhibitionist, and I'm actually going to put it up over like the half part of my lid to give me like this nice gold, like bronzy, like just give me light vibes of gold glitter onto my eyelids, you guys. When I wore this the other day, I got so many compliments on my makeup, so I was like, oh, why not use it for this makeup here today? So let's go ahead and get into it. Once I am done adding on my lashes, I'm actually going to go in with my foundation now. I'm actually going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me. This is a pore knotless foundation, you guys. The color that I am is 358 Latte. And I'm actually going to use 2 shades of coats of this on my face. And then we're going to go into doing some contour and highlight. This is color 400, you guys. I'm actually going to do my highlight with this, and then we're going to bake our face a little. And actually the baking powder that I use is actually by Revolution. It is their banana baking powder. And I use this to go ahead and bake my face. So while my face is setting while I'm baking, I'm actually going to go in with my True Complex Contour Palette by Black Radiance. If you guys do not have this palette in your makeup bag, you need to go get it. It's Tuesday. It's my favorite. I would prefer using more of a powder than actually like the liquid to do my contour, just because it just smooths better and just looks better. So I'm going to go in with the contour, and I'm actually going to shape my nose to give me a nice little, just to slim my nose down. Even though it's already slim, I just want to give it a nice effect. It's part of the process. And get its life together, I am going to go ahead and do my nice I would say vanilla bean look, makeup look rather. So I'm actually going to be using a brown makeup pencil, and I'm going to go in with more of a nude. This is by Less Chocolate. This is the Pro Matte lipstick by Maybelline, no, L'Oreal. Oh my god. It's one of my favorites, you guys. If you have not checked out the Less Chocolate collection, make sure you go and check it out today. Contour around the forehead, and at the cheeks, add a bronzer and our highlight, and we're going to be good to go. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really hope that you enjoyed this pumpkin spice makeup look. If you guys want to see more themed out videos like this, make sure you guys drop it down below in the comments. And as usual, I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and yeah, share this video with all your friends and family, alright? Bye, loves.